friends, welcome back to my channel, Breakfast at Tiffany's, where we love to shop 24/7. Today I'm shopping at Five Below, and I'm just going to see what's new at Five Below. Right when I walk in, I see these cute makeup bags. So I like this one with the tie-dye, rainbow tie-dye. So cute. And I'm just gonna walk through, but I kind of want to go to the room decor. So I'm gonna be headed to the room decor and see if they have any new room decor. It seems like it's been a while since I've been here. But I was just watching like YouTube news, and I don't know how many of you watched the boxing fight with YouTubers versus TikTokers, and now they're saying that they might not get paid, which I think's crazy when you think about it. And I know Bryce Hall and Taylor Holder and Austin McBroom, they were in this boxing match, and they hyped it up. But I guess what they were saying is maybe they're getting a percentage of the people who paid for the pay-per-view, and that number is being disputed. Like, they were told that millions and millions of people were going to pay for this pay-per-view, and now they're saying just like 130,000 people paid for the pay-per-view. So then they're thinking, like, which number's right, because it makes a big difference if you get a percentage of millions of views versus thousands of views. So I've been keeping up on that because it's kind of crazy. I can't believe that, I can't believe that that's what's going on. I can't believe that they wouldn't pay them, because they really hyped this up. And Bryce Hall was going to get a house for his mother. Taylor Holder was going to get a house for his mother. Now, I watched the boxing match on YouTube, and I just watched the highlights. I didn't watch the whole fight, but Bryce Hall's fight was so hard to watch. I think Taylor Holder, they said he didn't throw as many punches, but I think at least he didn't get hit like Bryce Hall. Taylor Holder was doing a good job of protecting his face, and that's what you're supposed to do. They're not supposed to just let somebody bang your head around like Bryce did. So I think Bryce was just trying to take too many shots when he was getting the shots, so he ended up getting hit a lot, which was sad. But anyway, look at this cute leaf LED light. I love this, and I love that Five Below is always coming out with new LED lights. They have that rainbow cloud one. They've had it for a while. They've had a butterfly one in the past. They've had one that said game on. But I really like the leaf one. It gives me like a tropical vibe. But I was also looking to see if Five Below had any back to school, and they don't. But I know this time of year people like to watch the back to school videos, so that's why I'm putting those out.